Did you know a coati can rotate its ankles 180 degrees to descend trees headfirst like a professional gymnast? Did you know these creatures possess a nose so flexible it can move independently of their face to investigate hidden crevices? Did you know a coati's tail is longer than its entire body and acts as a sophisticated balancing pole during high-altitude maneuvers? Did you know these animals are essentially the Swiss Army knives of the rainforest, equipped with tools for climbing, swimming, and digging? Did you know that despite their cute appearance, they are fierce enough to take on venomous snakes without hesitation? Coatis have a very acute sense of hearing, which allows them to detect the tiny rustling sounds of insects moving under the dirt. They will often stop mid-walk, tilt their heads, and listen intently before diving their nose into the ground to catch a meal. Their vision is particularly well adapted to detecting motion, which is crucial for spotting camouflaged predators or escaping prey. However, like many mammals, they rely more heavily on their senses of smell and hearing to interpret the world around them. The dental formula of a coati includes 40 teeth, with sharp canines that are used for defense and tearing meat. Their molars are somewhat flattened, which helps them grind up tough plant matter and crunchy insect shells. Coatis are highly territorial and will defend their core foraging areas from rival bands through vocal displays and physical posturing. Actual fighting is rare, as the loud barks and aggressive lunges are usually enough to deter intruders. The feet of a coati are plantigrade, meaning they walk on the soles of their feet, just like humans and bears. This provides a stable base for walking on uneven ground and gives them more leverage when digging into the earth. In some cultures, the coati is a symbol of resourcefulness and adaptability due to its clever nature and ability to find food in almost any situation. They are often featured in local folklore as trickster figures who can outsmart larger, more powerful animals. Coatis are known to engage in self-anointing, a behavior where they rub pungent substances like chewed-up plants or resins onto their fur. Scientists believe this might act as a natural insect repellent or a way to signal their health and status to others. The tail of a coati is marked with distinct rings, though these are often much fainter than those found on a raccoon. These rings provide a subtle form of camouflage, breaking up the animal's silhouette against the dappled light of the forest floor. Coatis have a relatively short gestation period of about 77 days, which allows them to time the birth of their young with the peak of the rainy season. This timing ensures that there is an abundance of fruit and insects available to support the growing kits. While they are mostly ground dwellers when foraging, coatis are incredibly agile in the trees and can jump significant distances between branches. This aerial agility is a key escape tactic when they are cornered by ground-based predators like ocelots. The skin on a coati's nose is extremely tough and leathery, protecting it from the bites and stings of the insects it hunts. They can shove their faces into anthills or wasp nests with surprisingly little discomfort. Coatis are known to follow other animals, like monkeys, through the forest to catch the insects or fruit that the larger animals drop. This commensal behavior allows them to find easy meals with minimal effort. In the desert regions of Arizona, coatis have been known to raid cactus fruits, skillfully avoiding the sharp spines to get to the sweet pulp inside. This shows their incredible manual dexterity and ability to learn complex feeding techniques. The social bonds in a coati band are so strong that if one member is injured, others will often stay nearby to protect it. This collective defense makes it much harder for a predator to pick off a single, weakened individual. Coatis are susceptible to many of the same diseases as domestic dogs, including rabies and distemper. This is why it is critical to keep a safe distance from them in the wild, as they can inadvertently transmit these illnesses to pets or humans. The vocal repertoire of a coati includes a high-pitched whistle bark that is used specifically for long-distance communication. This sound can cut through the noise of a rushing river or a windstorm, keeping the band in contact. Male coatis are much heavier than females, sometimes weighing up to 18 pounds, while females usually top out around 10 pounds. This size difference is one of the most obvious ways to tell the sexes apart from a distance. Coatis have a specialized grooming claw on their hind feet that is specifically used for scratching and cleaning the fur on their heads and necks. This tool ensures they can maintain their hygiene even in areas they can't reach with their mouths. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the incredible world of the coati. These versatile and clever animals are a true testament to the wonders of wildlife in the Americas. If you enjoyed learning these facts, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another wildlife adventure. We want to hear from you. Which coati fact surprised you the most? Was it their 180-degree rotating ankles or their complex social bands? Let us know in the comments below. We regularly upload new videos filled with amazing animal facts and the mysteries of the natural world, so be sure to hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and make sure to check out our other video on the hidden secrets of the rainforest right here.